it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really simple, really fast. A lot of you guys are always asking, girl, how do you go to sleep with your wash and goes? Because your wash and goes look popping. But I'm just trying to figure out how do you sleep where your hair don't get squished and it don't look crazy in the morning. And when you wake up in the morning, what do you be doing? Well, I'm here to give you guys the answers to those questions. This is going to be a really simple video, so we can go ahead and jump right into it. Before I begin, you know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started because I'm sleepy and I want to go to bed, so I gotta tie my hair up. For the sleeping process, you're gonna need two things: a satin scarf and a bonnet. Okay, this is how I like to sleep in my wash and goes. There's so many ways you guys can do this. You might want to pineapple your hair. Some of you might not do absolutely nothing to it and just sleep on a satin pillowcase. This is what I've just found to be the easiest for my hair. I do have a lot of hair. I was blessed with a big old fro, okay, and I'm so grateful for this fro. But I can't just be sleeping on a satin pillowcases. I can't just be doing that because my hair, you know, it already likes to like come together and be one. But if I was just to go to sleep with nothing on my head, it would, girl, it would get real intimate, okay? And I would not be able to break them apart. I just have a satin scarf here. I got this from the beauty supply store. First thing I like to do is I like to push my fro back. Don't look at my underarms because I didn't shave. You listen, I'm doing all that tomorrow, okay? Listen, don't come for me. But I like to just kind of push my fro back as best as I can. Kind of just go back there. Do that. That's the flattest I can get it. And then what I like to do is I like to take my scarf and I like to just tie my scarf over my head and keep my hair as flat as possible. You want to make sure everything is laying down flat. You don't want any loose hairs dangling down because when you take your scarf off in the morning, that curl is just going to be squished. So I like to just take my hair. It takes me a while to do this because I have so much hair. If you have less hair, this might be a little easier for you. But I got a big fro, so it takes me a while just to get everything the way I like it to. Sometimes I might stick my hand in the back of the scarf here and just pull some curls and make them go where they need to go. Okay, I'm going to tuck all these hairs, make sure none of them are dangling down. They need to all be laid back because if they're dangling down, they're just going to get squished. Okay, and then you can go ahead and tie that up here. If you need to, you could just stick your hand in and just pull some hairs out. But this is what it looks like. And then I just go ahead and I take my bonnet and I put my bonnet right on top. And voila, this is literally how I sleep and how I shower and how I do my makeup, which is the reason why you guys might see a little foundation on my bonnet. Listen, don't come for me. I won't come for you if you don't come for me, sis. I won't do it. This is literally what I do, and that's it. I just go to bed. I sleep on regular pillows. You can sleep on satin pillow if you just want that extra security, but the bonnet and the scarf is doing what I needed to do. And yeah, guys, that is literally how I go to bed. So I'm gonna actually go do that. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. And while I'm getting ready for Curl Fest, I will show you guys how I take it out of this and fluff and just make sure my hair looks A1. So I will be right back in the morning. Good morning, guys. So I am back. I am ready to go. It's just time to now fluff my hair. And as promised, I want to show you guys how I do that in the morning. So obviously the first things first is take off your bonnet. And then you want to go ahead and take off your scarf. And my hair is stuck flat, looking crazy. So I just want to pull it out. A little tip you can do if you have any dents or something like that, you can always lightly mist your hair with water just to kind of get the dents out. You don't want to obviously soak your hair, you just kind of want to lightly mist it. So I'm just pulling my fro apart. like so. So now that we've kind of just pulled this apart, you want to go ahead and take your blow dryer and then begin to pretty much stretch your hair. Just want to pull and shape, pick up those roots just for some added volume. And yeah, guys, that is what I do in the morning. So that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this super short, easy video. That's how I go to sleep, and that's how I refresh in the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.